So on this fine Saturday, I thought I'd bring you a prayer by Vladimir Gelesnoff. All gracious God, mid scenes of strife, we bow in adoration pure, and ask that thy exhaustless grace, which through all ages doth endure, may grant us faith to trust thee still, and frame our hearts to work thy will. All gracious God, the hand of time, forever moving as it must, brings man's proud boastings to the mire, and sinks earth's splendor in the dust. That we change not, be with us still, and frame our hearts to work thy will. All gracious God, this heedless world, absorbed in things of sense and time, grasps only after gods of gold, and slights the gifts of love divine. That we respond with worship still, O frame our hearts to work thy will. All gracious God, our days are few, and spent in gathering empty lore. So teach us wisdom that we may acquire thy lessons taught of yore, and learn of thee, our teacher still, to frame our hearts to work thy will. Grace and peace.